In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in WPS Office Mobile. Adding a signature to your document on your phone is a simple way to make your files look more professional and complete, especially when you're handling forms, agreements, or personal documents on the go. WPS Office makes this process smooth and user-friendly, even if you've never done it before. To begin, make sure your document is already open in WPS Office on your mobile device. Once you're viewing the document, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon there that opens additional editing options. Tap on that icon to bring up the main editing menu. From this menu, tap on Insert. This section allows you to add different elements to your document, including images, shapes, and signatures. After tapping Insert, look for the option labeled Signature and tap on it. This is where WPS Office gives you several choices for adding a signature style that fits your needs. At this point, you'll see different signature options available. You can choose to create initials, add a signature with a date, or create your own handwritten signature. For this video, the focus is on creating a full signature. Tap on the option that lets you create a signature. This will open a signature panel where you can draw your signature directly on the screen using your finger or a stylus. Take your time when drawing your signature so it looks as natural and clear as possible. If you're not satisfied with how it looks the first time, you can redraw it until you're happy with the result. Once your signature looks the way you want, tap Done to confirm it. Your signature will then be placed into the document. After the signature appears, you can adjust its position within the document. Simply drag it to the exact spot where it should appear, such as at the bottom of a page or near your name. You can also resize it slightly so it fits well with the surrounding text and doesn't look too large or too small. This method allows you to quickly sign documents directly from your phone, saving time and making it easier to handle paperwork wherever you are. Once everything looks good, your document is ready to be saved or shared. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.